The drone community is electrified by a leaked image and a tantalizing tweet from Jasper Ellens, hinting at the arrival of a new DJI flagship drone, the Mavic 4 Pro. This eagerly anticipated model is rumored to feature a 1-inch sensor, a substantial upgrade from the current Mavic 3 Pro's capabilities. Moreover, whispers of a new DJI Air model with Mavic-level capabilities are also gaining traction, fueling speculation about a potential game-changer in the drone industry. As we dive into the key points, we'll explore the implications of these rumors and what they could mean for the future of drone technology and innovation. With DJI's reputation for pushing boundaries, possibilities are endless, and the excitement is palpable. A new era for drone photography. The Mavic 4 Pro's rumored 1-inch sensor is poised to revolutionize drone photography and videography, delivering unparalleled image quality and versatility. This substantial upgrade would enable drone enthusiasts and professionals to capture stunning aerial footage with increased detail, dynamic range, and color accuracy. The 1-inch sensor would also provide improved low-light performance, reduced noise, and enhanced depth of field control, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, from cinematic storytelling to industrial inspection. By setting new standards in drone design and functionality, the Mavic 4 Pro would establish itself as a game-changer in the industry. Its impact would be felt across various sectors, from filmmaking and photography to surveying, mapping, and more. With its rumored 1-inch sensor, the Mavic 4 Pro would empower users to push the boundaries of creative expression and capture the world from new and exciting perspectives. Hybrid design and launch date. The leaked image reveals a fascinating hybrid design, seamlessly merging the sleek airframe of the DJI Air series with the advanced camera block, the Mavic 3 series. This innovative fusion is poised to create a game-changing drone, boasting the best of both worlds. The airframe's aerodynamic design and lightweight construction would ensure agile flight and extended battery life, while the Mavic 3 series camera block would deliver exceptional image quality and versatility. With a rumored launch date of August 1st, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to propel both the Air and Mavic series to new heights. This strategic design combination would not only enhance performance, but also expand the creative possibilities for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. As the launch date approaches, anticipation builds for this revolutionary drone, promising to redefine industry standards and push the boundaries of aerial photography and videography. DJI Air model with Mavic-level capabilities. Jasper Ellens' tweet and the fake leak of the DJI A3s have sparked speculation about a new DJI Air model with Mavic-level capability. Could this be a sign of things to come? Drone community is eagerly awaiting confirmation. The drone community is abuzz with excitement as rumors of a new DJI Mavic 4 Pro and DJI Air model spread like wildfire. Possibility of a flagship Mavic 4 Pro, boasting a 1-inch sensor and innovative hybrid design, has left enthusiasts and professionals alike eagerly anticipating a game-changing release. This potent combination of advanced sensor technology and sleek design could redefine industry standards, pushing the boundaries of aerial photography and videography. As the rumors gain traction, the drone community remains on high alert, awaiting official confirmation from DJI. With the potential for unprecedented image quality, versatility, and performance, the future of drones has never looked brighter. Stay tuned for further updates and get ready to witness a new era in drone innovation. The countdown to DJI's next move has begun, and the anticipation is palpable.